Hi. On today's video we're going to learn how to use the past continuous and past simple together. So, let's begin. First, let's review the past simple. The past simple shows us that an action was in the past, not in the present. And the past continuous shows us that the action was already in progress at a certain time in the past. Past continuous and past simple. When we use these two tenses together, it shows us that the past simple action happened in the middle of the past continuous action, while it was in progress. For that we can use when and while. We use when and while with the phrase in past continuous. Or when with past simple. Now let's check some examples. They arrived when I was cooking. The burglar broke in while they were sleeping. She was arriving to the airport when the plane left. He was using his phone when the police pulled him over. The computer broke while he was working. Her hands started to hurt when she was exercising. They were kayaking when it started to rain. They were having a date when he proposed.